Today we're going to be talking about hair system emergencies and what you can do about it. Stay tuned. Help! My hair system's losing its hair. What do I do? Hi, I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant, and welcome to my channel, The Real Deal, where I talk about your hair loss, why you've lost your hair, and is there anything you could do to get it back. Today we're going to be talking about non-surgical hair systems and what happens when the hair system starts losing its hair. Well, today, our hair systems that we wear today are not your grandfather's duvet. The bases are super thin, like a condom with hair in it. So they're not really built for durability. You're lucky to get 4 to 8 weeks out of a 0.03 poly system. 0.05 or 0.07, you might get a little bit more time out of that. But then you're going to deal with the quality of the hair and what the hair looks like, and that's another video. But today we're going to be talking about as that hair system ages, depending on the system itself, where it comes from, they do lose hair. The products you're using in the hair will cause them to lose hair. If you're using some kind of oil type products, if you're using these Moroccan oils, it gets into the base of the skin-based hair systems, and the hair shaft just slides right out of that thin base that it's been injected in. Now, we're not talking about lace. Lace is a different situation. We're talking about skin-based poly hair systems today, okay? And what you can do when your hair system starts losing its hair before you get a new hair system, all right? So the number one thing you want to do when your hair system starts losing its hair, order a new hair system. Because it's inevitable. This one is on its way out. And you do this to look great. So do you really want to wear an old suit or an old pair of shoes? I don't think so. You really want to have fresh, clean, nice looking hair all the time. Or as I've always told clients that really want to go on the long game and the cheap game and they want to get this durability long time, I don't do that. I make sure that client looks like they're real. I make sure that it looks like it's coming out of their scalp. I don't sell durability. I sell look. I sell sexy. I sell real. That's why I'm the real deal. All right, guys? So with the skin-based hair systems, they all lose hair eventually. Sometimes you get lucky and they might go a good 8 weeks and not lose any hair at all. Other times, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, sometimes the hair falls out. But again, that's the price you pay for this really thin hair system that looks freaking real, okay? If you go buy these little thin tires on your car, guys, they don't last very long, but you pay 3 times as much money for that tire as you do just a normal tire on a car. But again, it's not about the durability, it's about the look. It's about the sexy freaking tires. And that's what I'm selling. I'm selling sexy, hot, wonderful hair. And that's what a lot of guys out there want, is sexy, wonderful hair. But along with sexy, wonderful hair comes no durability. So get that out of your head. Is not here for the long game. Now there's guys that might tell you on the internet, on YouTube, and their videos that, oh, this lasted 4, 5, 6 months, and maybe it did. I don't know. My clients, I've been doing this for a long time. I only use 0.03 poly systems. I don't use anything else. Now there is one that's thinner, but I just don't find it user-friendly. It's like crepe paper. It's even for me, it's hard. And I've got 2 hands putting it down on top of the client's head. So I don't even go there with those 0.01, 0.02 polys. 0.03 is perfect. It's dead on, all right? It looks fantastic. It has a little bit of durability, more than a week, all right? So what is it you can do other than ordering your new hair system? Second thing you can do is you can use a product like Topics, Kabuki. There's a few other fiber type hair products out there that can just fill in the scalp area where that bald spot is starting, or that bald area, or that thinning area is starting, just to fill it in and get you by until you get your new hair. All right, guys? But you want to get by until you get that new hair. All right? And this goes for women's hair systems also. My women all wear skin-based hair systems also. Now they do wear a 0.05 instead of a 0.03 on my women. The reason being, one, that women have longer hair, so they are stressing the hair system out and blowing it more, so therefore they need a little bit stronger base to hold the hair in place for a longer period of time. But again, these are not wigs that last for years and years. These are hair systems that are disposable. They last for a short period of time because they look freaking real. All right, guys? So non-surgical hair systems, 0.03, 0.05 poly systems, that's what we're talking about today. All right? So what you're going to do is you're basically going to take, and as you can see, the area here in this frontal area of the hair system, this is one of my older hair systems that we're using here, has thinned out. And when it's thinned out, it just seems like there's just blank spaces, especially if you're parting your hair, or your hair kind of spiky and open. You just don't want to expose the scalp, guys. Or you might just have one patch in the back that's just really, really thin, and you just are not happy about it, and it just bothers the crap out of you, all right? So this is going to help get you by as a Band-Aid until you get your new hair system. Now, how long you keep doing this until you put your new hair systems on, that's left up to you. But I wouldn't go too long because, again, you're doing this to look really good. Otherwise, just put a hat on, guys. If you're not gonna wear good hair, if you're not gonna wear hair that looks freaking real, just put a hat on, guys, please. Because that bad toupee looks like a bad toupee. So as we apply this onto the scalp, just use very, very little because, again, this is a temporary fix. You don't want to use too much because then you're going to have to get in the shower and shampoo it and wash it out and dry it all over again. All right, so this is very simple. Just take a little bit of the kabuki. Today we're going to use kabuki. So just take a little bit of the kabuki and sprinkle it on top of the scalp. When you sprinkle it on top of the scalp, just take your finger lightly and kind of pat it around to get it into place. Make sure it's evenly distributed throughout the scalp so you get a nice professional look and a nice look that is not drawing attention. Now, you can part the hair off into small sections and apply little by little by little, but don't try to apply it in one big section at one time. Just part off small little parts and sections and apply a little bit, and apply a little bit, and a little bit more. All right, and eventually you're going to get exactly what you want. All right, guys? So hopefully this answered your question. I'm on what do I do when my hair system starts losing its hair. The other thing you might want to do is, if your hair system's consistently losing its hair, you might want to find out why. Are you using the wrong product? Are you using a Moroccan oil type product? Because those Moroccan oil products, I know they rock on the hair and they make the hair feel really good, but they're not doing justice to the base and the hair attachment, where the two of them come together and hold on. So again, be very careful with these Moroccan oil type products because I don't find them very friendly for a skin-based hair system, all right, or a poly-based hair system, all right. So again, hope this helped you out, get you by, and again, if you're constantly losing hair in your hair system, maybe it's your product. Maybe it's something you're doing at home when you're detangling the hair, you're pulling the hair too much, you're not using the right products to detangle the hair, you're not using the right instructions. If you need instructions on how to shampoo your hair system in the shower, what to do, how to detangle it, check out my other videos. You'll see a video about that. You can hit the tab up here and that'll take you to the video. All right, but otherwise, if you liked what I did today, let me know in the comment section below. If you have any questions or if you've used a product like Topics or Kabuki that has helped you get by in your thinning hair system, let me know. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. That's how I keep going. And I'm Steve Luttrell, your hair loss consultant. And this has been The Real Deal, guys. Have a great hair day.